In this video, we are going to fix a Windows Update failed error 0x87d00324. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first step that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. At the Settings window, you need to proceed to the left pane, select for System. And once you have to open the system section, you need to locate for the troubleshoot. Scroll down and find for it. So from here, please click on that. Next is to click for other troubleshooters. And under the list of most frequent, go with Windows Update and click on Run. Once you have completed the running for troubleshoot for Windows Update, this will help you to diagnose the problem. You need to close this window and run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description before we continue to the next solution. Once you have copied this one, you need to navigate here at the search box and type for CMD. Once you have typed it, please wait until you can see a command prompt system under the best match where here you need to go with the right side and click on the run as administrator corresponding to it. Wait until you can get that option before we continue. Once you've seen it, click on here. And then if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this command prompt. So the catch is you need to paste these commands one by one and not as to a whole or not together. So first is to do SFC scan. Paste it here. This will help you to fix the problem. Click on the enter key and wait until this procedure would be finished. This will definitely take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. And once you have completed the SFC scanning, proceed on pasting the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Copy and paste it here to the command prompt. And once you have completed this procedure, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.